Hello kids, welcome to Science by Dr. Nidhi. In this video, we will learn about my need water or water around us. Kids, as we know, all living things need water to live. Water is useful to us in many ways like drinking, bathing, cooking, watering plants, washing, cleaning, etc. Kids, plants get water from the rain. Their roots get water that is under the ground. This is why we have to water plants. Kids, animals drink water from rivers, lakes, etc. We should give clean drinking water to our pets. Kids, as we know, boats and ships travel on water. Water is used in factories also to make different things. Kids, now we will learn sources of water. We get water from many sources. There are two type of water sources: natural water sources and man-made water sources. So kids, first we will learn natural water sources. These sources of water are filled by rainwater like river, ponds, lakes, etc. Kids, now we will learn man-made water sources. Man-made water sources are made by man. Example, wells, hand pumps, etc. And dams and canal to use river water. Kids, water from these sources is sent to large storage tanks. From there, it reaches our homes with the help of pipes and taps. Kids, we will learn underground water. What is underground water? The water present below the ground is groundwater or underground water. Kids, now we will learn properties of water. Water doesn't have any shape. Clean water is tasteless, colorless, and without any smell. Kids, now we will learn water in food items. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of water. Vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, cauliflower, etc. contain a lot of water. Fruits like watermelons, muskmelons, oranges, strawberries have high amount of water. Now we will learn water pollution. Before we will learn water pollution, we have to know what is pollution. So kids, what is pollution? The process of air, water, land, etc. becoming dirty and dangerous is pollution. Now we will learn water pollution. Water pollution is the pollution of water sources. So kids, waste materials from homes and factories are thrown into water sources. This is water pollution. This is very bad thing. Kids, now we will learn clean water for drinking. Using polluted water is not good for our health. Kids, we clean water by various methods like boiling and filtering. We should keep drinking water covered. We should not store water in dirty containers. Kids, do not touch water with dirty hands. So kids, I hope you understand clean water for drinking. Now we will learn use water wisely or saving water. Kids, as we know, all living beings need water, so it should be used carefully. Kids, don't throw garbage in water. We should turn off the tap after using water. We should always drink clean water. We should not throw waste into rivers, ponds, and lakes. Kids, collect rainwater from rooftops in tanks. At home, what we can do, kids? We can reuse water. We should use bucket and mug to take a bath. Kids, clean water is precious. We should use it well and try to reuse and save it. So, kids, I hope you all understand this chapter. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel and check description box. There are some activities and links for you. Thank you.